Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
And can you use yams as a sweet potato substitute in your recipes? The short answer is no, you can't always substitute yams for sweet potatoes. A yam is starchy and dry, but a sweet potato is, as the name suggests, sweet in moisture.
Take our lead.
When soft varieties were first grown commercially, there was a need to differentiate between the two. African slaves had already been calling the soft, sweet potatoes yams, because they resembled the yams in Africa. Thus, soft, sweet potatoes were referred to as yams, to distinguish them from the firm varieties.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.